Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm reviewing NewAir's portable air conditioner. Portable air conditioners are great for spaces in your house that doesn't get cold by your other air conditioner, or maybe you live in a climate that only needs a few rooms cooled. These are great for small spaces. This one will cover between 325 and 525 square feet. Let's say you want it in your kitchen, maybe in your living room, but the bedroom is where I'm using it today. My bedroom is south facing with a really big window that gets a beautiful yard view. And as pretty as that is to look out to it, it also brings in a ton of heat into my bedroom, which makes it really hard to sleep at night when it's hot. I had searched on the internet for a portable air conditioner that would move around. NewAir makes one with really high quality casters, so it basically rolls by itself. There's very little effort involved. Every function on this NewAir portable air conditioner is also capable of being done by the remote control they provide. It has a mode function with an auto, a cool, and a fan setting. The buttons to use to put the temperature up or down are very clear and easy to work. It also has a fan feature, so you can have a high, medium, or low fan. The timer is a great feature, so you can decide if you just want it on for maybe 10 minutes to cool down the room and don't want to have to bother with turning it off. It has a sleep mode, so it can turn off when it's in air conditioning mode. And it's easy to set the temperature to exactly what you like for your space. For me, that's 72 degrees, summer or winter. And the setup is easy. Let me show you how. It comes with an easy booklet to follow along to set up, and also for questions you might have, and a list of all the parts. For installing, it shows you how to set up the hose in a window or a wall. There's many different configurations you can do to make it easy. NewAir gives you everything you need to install it. This is the hose they give you that's flexible. So you just attach it to the back of your air conditioner. So open up a few of the spacers and put it in your air conditioner, and we're going to twist it. And when it goes back together, you know it's connected. The window insert comes in 3 sections. It expands to a very long length, about 5 feet. When you find the right length for your window, it comes with screws so you can fasten them in with a Phillips head screwdriver. And then you place your insert within the frame of the window. The screen remains in place so you can easily open and close your window for fresh air when you're not using your air conditioner. The exhaust link is 59 inches, so you open it all the way up, and then you just simply insert it into your window piece. Those ridges hold it securely in place. It plugs into any 3-pronged wall outlet. The water tank is an energy boosting function. By adding water to the tank, you are more energy efficient, therefore saving your money on your energy bill and conserving the environment. Simply unscrew the lid and fill it with clean water. Put the lid back, and back in place it goes. Time to turn it on. So press the button and adjust your temperature to where you like it. And turn the fan on to the strength you like. That's on high. It runs quietly and efficiently. I'm going to turn it down now. And that's what it sounds like on low. It will flash when you reach a desired temperature that you want to set it to, but then it'll show the room temperature. But I'm going to turn it off so I can finish telling you about it. During the cooling process, some of the water comes out of the air and the moisture is stored in a tank below. The unit will automatically shut off if there becomes too much water, or you can take it out and drain it manually. In the back of the unit, there is a drain for that. So you can just put a little pan here to collect the water. And if you'd like to use it continuously, if you live in a very hot climate, you could hook up the hose they give you for constant removal of that water. It will go a full day's use for me without hooking up the hose. And when it's not in use, you want to store it, they give you a cap for your window insert. The NewAir portable air conditioner is available by clicking the link. I hope you try it because I love this thing. Whether it's your bedroom, your living room, your kitchen, any place you want to put it, it works great. There's more information in that description box. Thanks for watching. I'm Rebecca Brand, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like recipes to keep cool for a very hot summer. If you like this review, check my other reviews. They're on the end cards of this video.